Hi everybody, my name is Lisaya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my little secret store that I have been shopping at for a while now. And ever since moving here to San Diego, I never saw any around, like any of these stores. So I recently just found one like a couple months ago, and honestly I have been addicted ever since. I've been going there like all the time, any chance I can get, because they always are bringing in like new clothes, like different trends are always coming in and out. So I recently found two locations here in San Diego. So you guys are probably like wondering, okay, what store is this? What is she talking about? So my little secret spot for you guys is Platos Closet. So if you don't know what Platos Closet is, it's basically like a secondhand store where you can go there and buy clothes, sell clothes, or trade your clothes. And you can go there and sell your clothes to them, and they'll give you money. If you don't want cash money, then they will give you like in-store credit. And once you do that, it's honestly better to take like the in-store credit if you're trying to like buy some more clothes, because when you do the in-store credit, they take off like all the tax and all the items as well. So I recently went to Plato's Closet about like 2 weeks ago, and I had like a whole big bag of clothes, and they went through everything. They took about like, it was like 13 items, and they offered me about $50 for the 13 items, and I was okay with that. I was like, okay, like honestly that was probably a lot of money that I have ever received from them ever by selling clothing to them. And I think it was because I had like a lot of clothes that still have tags on them that I either bought from like Pretty Little Thing or Shein, and they just like didn't fit right, and I didn't want to go through the hassle of returning it. So I just went back to Plato's Closet, and I would give them those clothes, and they gave you pretty good money for it. Plato's Closet does a really good job at organizing all of their clothes, from like swimsuits to rompers to dresses to jeans to shorts to tanks. They literally, like the ones I've always gone to, they've always been super organized, and they have the shoes based on like all the sizes like on top of the racks. So it's super easy to find what you're looking for there and find a really good deal that you never thought you could find. Like honestly, I have found like name brand jeans there with tags still on it for less than $20. Like that is a steal. So with that $50 that they gave me, I did the in-store credit, and I went and purchased some brand new clothes. So I basically traded my clothes out of my closet because my closet needed like a whole cleanse. Like there was so many like tank tops and like t-shirts from like 2013. I was like, okay, I need this out. Like I need a closet cleanse. So that's what I did, and I definitely recommend that to any woman or man as well, because they have women and men clothes. And if you ever in need of a closet clean out, closet cleanse, and you don't know where to take it to, and you want to like maybe get some brand new clothes in exchange, definitely go to Plato's Closet. Check out your local one. Okay, well let's get into this try on haul. So we got this big old bag with some new clothes. I can't wait to show you guys. Like I think this is like my best find ever at Plato's Closet so far. I'm super excited. So the first item I got are these brand new shorts. I'm saying brand new because they literally still feel and look as if they're brand new. The tags aren't on it. These are the Plato's Closet tags, but you can see they're just some little summer shorts. Something to just wear on a hot summer day like today, for sure. And I just really like the wash, the color, and the style, like the rips, like they're not too open, but they're cute. I begin to item I got are these jeans. Oh my god, these are so cute. And these are ZARA. I've actually seen these jeans like every single time I would go in, and I always thought they were super cute, but like I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. I was like, I don't need them, you know, like they're fine, like I can live without them. But this time I saw them again and they were on the clearance rack, so you know I got them. But these are super cute and like casual. You can just wear them with like, I would wear them with like a white top, black top, and some like chunky sneakers. I think that would be super cute for a summer fit. And they were only $10. $10. These leather pants are so freaking cute, and they are from ZARA as well. And I literally got these for $8. These freaking sexy things were $8. I was obsessed. They have like little like details in the back with like pockets, but there's no pockets in them. But the funny thing is, I actually saw these exact pair at ZARA a couple weeks ago, and I really wanted them because they're only like $20. And the line, it was just way too long, so I was just like, you know what, like they're not worth it. They're not worth this line, like it's okay. And what do you know, I literally find them at Platos Closet for $8.
It's so special.
Okay, the next item I got, oh my god, I think this is like the best deal I have ever bought, ever. So they're these jeans. I'm gonna stand up. They're these dark blue jeans, and the brand is, what is it? It's like 7 for All Mankind. Yeah. And these jeans, they still have the tags on them. They look brand new, like they've never been worn. Tags still on. And they still have the price tag on them for how much they cost. I don't know if you can see. $198. They're a cute little vibe, but I got these bootcut jeans that are $200 for, how much exactly? $10. Guys, $10. These $200 pairs of jeans for $10 at Platos Closet. I am so happy with these because I can't wait to wear them with like some like boots in the fall, or like just some like cute heels in the summer with like a cute like crop top or something. I have been really wanting a pair of bootcut pants because I really see like them coming back in style slowly with some like cute chunky shoes or something. So I am so excited to start wearing those out.
You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole, just so you know.
Next item is another pair of shorts. I really was in need of summer jeans shorts. So we have these ones. They're just like little basic, like a little mid-wash jeans. My old summer shorts literally do not fit me. I have lost a lot of weight within the past like year. It's like, it was good weight, you know, like I had like a lot of like unhealthy, bad, negative weight on me, and I just started to focus on myself and on my health too. And I have lost a lot of weight, so I had to get rid of all of my clothes. So, which is great because I basically exchanged them for brand new clothes, so I saved a lot of money too. Next item are these cute little scrunchy little shorts. They're high-waisted. They give me like that little like 90s old-fashioned look, so I really like these. And these are the Opali brand, I believe. Opali or like Princess Polly. I'm not sure. So don't come for me. Okay. The next item we have a little mini dress, super cute and classy, and it still had the tags on it from Guess. The tag says $43 and I got this dress for $7. So yeah, this is a cute little date night outfit. Couple more items to show. I'm like obsessed with this freaking top. This top is Shein brand, and little mid shirt, and they're like boot cut sleeves, if that's the thing, I don't know. I feel like you can dress it up with heels or wear them with like some white sneakers, something fancy and something casual. But yeah, I got this shirt for $4 only. Okay. Next item. Ooh, I just really love this color. Like, it's so yellow, so vibrant. Something casual, something wear when you're running errands. Just like, it feels like really nice too. It's like, feels like it would be like brand new still. The tags weren't on it anymore, and it's not like labeled. There's no brand on it, so I'm not sure. But this thing was only like $4, so I had to get it.
I've just been really irritable all day. Like, I guess I'm just blaming on routine and workouts and stuff like that after you go to sleep. So I'm not on a like time crunch myself. And also show you guys what I don't know if you're a little cousin, and here I am.
Okay. And then these gray biker shorts. They're such a soft, thin material. Not like thin, but they like your legs can breathe really nice in these. Band, so they make you all like, if you know what I mean, ladies. And these are from ZARA, and they still have the tag on them as well. I just really had to get these because I like these for working out. Gym Shark Leggings, ladies. These are so freaking cute, and the fitting, they fit amazing, and they make your body look phenomenal. I am so happy with this find. Like, I always heard like, oh, like you can find Gymshark, Lululemon, like all the time at Plato's Closet. I have never found it, and I finally found these in my size small, and I snatched them up. And these leggings at Plato's Closet were $30, but I had a 30% off coupon there that I have earned by spending in the past. So I got to use that 30% off coupon on these leggings because these were on sale. So I was able to use the coupon. So they weren't even $30. They were like barely $20. So definitely got a steal with these Gymshark leggings.
I begin to.
Definitely want to buy my own like Gymshark pair from the website because I love how it makes me feel when I'm working out, you know? Like, I don't know if I'm the only one, but I feel like you have to, well, not have to, but I feel like it makes working out a lot more like fun and like easier when you have like a cute matching set outfit, or like That's just my opinion. It makes me like go harder at the gym and stay longer, you know? So definitely I would invest in a Gymshark outfit one day. So I also got these tennies from Platos Closet. These are Adidas. They're just like some black and white chunky sneakers. They'll go with anything, you know, you can dress them up, you can dress them down, and these freaking shoes are just so freaking cute. I've never seen them anywhere like at Adidas stores, so I like them. Obsessed. These shoes are like brand new almost too, like they're a little used, gently used, but I definitely believe that they're worth the $25. Okay guys, well that is everything that I have in my Platos Closet haul. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you saw some good deals that you would like to take advantage of too and help out yourself and your bank account as well. Since I've been shopping here, I have been even more trendier and my pockets have been thanking me. So don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have some exciting news to be sharing soon on this channel, and I really want to use this platform to just like create like a positive, inspiring community. Thank you guys so much for watching.